This is a used 2012 Volvo XC60. It's powered by front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include electric trunk, blind spot sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, a premium sound system, alloy rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.